Good morning to all. In last video we discussed some physical properties of hydrogen chloride gas. Just as we discuss an experiment to demonstrate the density, and today we will discuss to demonstrate the solubility of the hydrogen chloride gas. For this purpose we use an experiment named fountain experiment. Fountain experiment. This experiment can be made by this diagram. In this diagram there is one jet tube is there, dropper is there, and in a beaker blue litmus solution is there, and in jar there is a hydrogen chloride gas is kept. So whenever dropper is pressed, it's seen that the blue litmus solution enter the jet tube with a great force forming a red fountain. This is called red fountain. So means jar is in this shape and when it expressed, there is red fountain color, blue litmus is changed into red litmus, and this experiment is known as the fountain experiments. Its reason to change the color: the water goes in the flask from the dropper, hydrochloride gas present in the flask dissolved due to its high solubility, thereby lowering the pressure inside. The outside pressure being higher pushes the blue litmus solution inside through the jet tube. The blue litmus solution turns red due to the acidic nature of hydrogen chloride gas. Now the chemical properties of hydrogen gas. Chemical properties. Number 1, combustibility. Combustibility. The gas is neither combustible nor a supporter of combustion. It does not burn, rather it extinguishes a burning splint. Number 2, thermal dissociation. Thermal dissociation. On heating above 500 degrees Celsius, it dissociates into hydrogen and chlorine gas. Mean when hydrochloride is heated above the 500 degrees Celsius, it dissociates into hydrogen and chlorine gas. Number 3, with metals. With metals. Metals that come before hydrogen in the electrochemical series from their corresponding chlorides, when heated with hydrogen chloride, it liberates the hydrogen gas, just as when sodium reacts with HCl, it will produce NaCl and hydrogen chloride gas. 2 molecule of hydrogen, 2 molecule. On the same in all the metal when react with, they produce with metallic chloride and liberate the hydrogen gas. Now reaction with the ammonia. It combines with the ammonia to form dense white fumes of the ammonia chlorides. NH3 plus HCl, it will produce ammonia chloride. Now these are the chemical and physical property of the hydrogen chloride gas. Now hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid. When hydrogen chloride gas is dissolved in water, hydrochloric acid is formed. HCl plus water, H3O positive plus chlorine negative. This is known as hydrochloric acids. Its important notes are that dry hydrogen chloride gas and liquefied hydrogen chloride does not produce hydrogen ions, hence do not turn blue litmus paper red, showing non-acidic character of the dry gas. The gas is also soluble in toluene, but In that case, it neither turn blue, litmus red, or nor conduct electricity. Laboratory preparation of the hydrochloric acid. In laboratory preparation, the gas is passed into water until no other gas is absorbed. The products in combine and contain about 36% of hydrogen chloride gas as a mass. Its experiment is a funnel arrangement is done in this experiment in this way. There should not be air gap between the funnel and the water. If there is the mechanism to suction divided by it prevent the funnel the prevent minimize back suction of the water, provide a large surface area for absorption of HCl. Reactant is used to prepare sodium chloride and concentrated sulfuric produce set up the apparatus for the preparation of hydrogen chloride gas. Some common. Now, why is the funnel arrangement is used? On the page number 145, there is important notices there that hydrogen chloride gas is sufficiently soluble. So, it is absorbed water more quickly than it is being generated in the flask. So, in this case, the pressure in the delivery tube and the flask is reduced and the water backs up into the delivery tube. This effect is called back suction. Some properties of the hydrochloric acids are: it is a colorless solution, its smell is pungent choking smell, its taste is also sour. Concentrated acid is corrosive and cause blister in the skin, readily soluble in water in all proportions and volatile at 110 degree Celsius. Its nature mean chemical properties. It's moist litmus, blue litmus turn to the red. Methyl orange color is to pink, phenolphthalein is colorless and remain colorless. And when it react with the metal, it produce the respective metallic chlorides and also liberate the hydrogen chloride, evolve the hydrogen chloride, calcium plus HCl, and it will produce calcium chloride and liberate hydrogen chloride. On the same way, when metallic oxide react with them, they produce the water and their respective metallic chlorides. With salt, it is produced the metal chlorides, water and the carbon dioxide gas. So there is the last exercise. 8 is there. Complete it. There it is very important chapter, and also to the chemical equations and industrial use of medicals, everything you have to test for the hydrogen chloride and the hydrochloric acid, how you can differentiate them. So this chapter is over. Complete this exercise and send me to the WhatsApp. Thank you.